Are you tired of high electricity bills and power outages? Introducing Home Power Shield, your ultimate DIY energy guide. It teaches you to build a small experimental power system that generates or stores electricity using simple components. Imagine having more control over your energy usage while gaining understanding of electricity. Home Power Shield provides step-by-step instructions, diagrams, and materials lists, making it accessible even for beginners. Here are 3 key benefits. Firstly, you can reduce dependence on the traditional power grid. Secondly, you gain insights into energy independence, discovering alternative solutions for your home. Lastly, you'll cultivate valuable DIY and electrical skills, expanding your knowledge. Let's see how it works. Start by accessing the digital guide after purchase. Review instructions carefully and gather materials from local stores. Then, follow the simple blueprint to assemble your power system. Finally, test and use the device to generate electricity for small appliances. But don't just take our word for it. Daniel from Colorado says, "The educational value is incredible. I've become more conscious of my energy use." James from Texas found it easy to follow and appreciated the diagrams for a weekend project that helped reduce waste. Maria from Florida enjoyed the fun learning experience and accessibility of materials. Home Power Shield offers a unique opportunity to explore energy generation and independence. Don't miss out on this educational project. To sum up, it empowers users to learn about small-scale energy generation, potentially lower electricity costs, and equip themselves for power outages. Now, what are you waiting for? Take charge of your energy future with Home Power Shield. Purchase today for only $49. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk in trying this valuable program. Click the link in the description below to learn more.